Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. May 2, Tuesday, our market closed high today, up 47.61 points, or up 0.72% to close at 6,672.69. Value turnovers at 3.86 billion pesos. No? So there's nothing going on in the market. No? So inflation numbers will be out this week, May 5. No? This is for the inflation numbers on April, and it all points to a pause, no, ng interest rates. No? BSP is looking to pause interest rates. No? So they're not looking to cut interest, and they're not looking to raise interest, no? In their meeting later this month. No? So we cannot cut interest rates, which will trigger a shift to US markets, thus weaker peso. So yun. There's nothing going on in the market right now. People are busy with at least discussing the NBA game tomorrow. Stephen Curry versus LeBron James, no? Lakers versus Golden State. Mas busy pa mga market doon. No? Anyway, Ali, SMAEV, BPI, Semirara, all ended higher. No? Mga lagals, Meralco, SMC, BDO, URC, Wilcon. No? Of course, A-rate. No? So, finally, they will be conducting a 22 billion property per share swap that will involve the flagship offices and malls. Remember before, when A-rate IPO'd, yung mga assets na nilagay nila doon, wala talaga yung prime properties. And right now, it looks like there's a plan. No? At least sinasama nila yung mga big property names in this asset infusion. So anyway, All Home also reported a net income of around 934 million. Yun nga. So what's new today is Bongbong Marcos is in the US right now. He witnessed the signature of the signing ng electronic bike. So of course, IMI also narrowed its net loss to around $749,000 in the first quarter of the year. So gross margin also improved to 8%, 8.5%. Other than that, ASN also secured a 20-year-long energy service agreement for their New England solar project. So FYI lang. Medic also ended a core net income of around 214 million, which is up 53% year-on-year. It is due to a 24% growth in revenues. No? Of course, no one's monitoring that. No? Talagang ang Biller stock lang na malakas is Golden Haven. From 10 pesos, it's now 800. Yikes. Of course, now, it's also moving as US is looking to deploy 5G. So, MPI na yan, laki ng volume because of the tender offer news. But right now, they haven't submitted the tender offer report sa PSE. Once they submit that, tuloy na ang tender offer. Right now, they can also withdraw that. Wala pa eh. No, they haven't filed that. The next step for MPI, nag-file siya, of course, they can pursue or not to pursue that. Once they pursue that, let the market decide if they will tender or not. Ako personally, we have shares. We bought at around 4 pesos. 360 yung unang buy natin. Nakailang round na tayo here. And of course, with a lot of uncertainty going sa market, I will tender at 4.63. Hindi ko naantayin yan. No? Of course, some brokerage firms are advising their clients not to tender because it's severely undervalued. But yeah, it's my money. No? So, I decide on where to put my money. There will be always opportunity sa market. No? SMC, no? Their brewery business, no? Book a net income of around 6.8 billion due to a strong domestic international sales. No? It's the market share talaga ng San Mig Brewery, laki, no? So, let's hope, or at least let's wait for Ramon Ang to bring investors. No? Also, no, there's news na San Miguel is also opens their Ilihan natural gas plant this May. No? Frutas, by the way, reversed its net loss in 2021 as they delivered a net income of around 82 million last year due to a better store economics. No? So their business model is really heavily dependent on foot traffic. Right now, with everyone going out, no? Daming tao sa mall. Yan, balik na sa ano, no? I hope they venture into healthier fruit shakes. No? Their fruit shakes kasi panay sugar eh. No? Speaking of Asia, no, they'll be allocating around $8 billion for their clean energy projects by 2030. No? So BPI, no? Sabi nila, they expect their AUM, no? Average assets under management around 1 trillion by this year end. No? So Dito is also finalizing a deal with OneWeb Network, at least to pilot test the low orbit satellite technology. Speaking of Dito, no, yung PNX4 na yan, at least they finally paid their cash dividend, which is due last November. And recall, it is already due for a step up kasi hindi nila kinol yan eh. So the next round of dividends will be nakapeg na yan at 15%. That's per annum. No? This is at 1,000 pesos. By the way, UBP also partnered with Huawei to enhance inclusion using innovative financial services. No? PLDT will be offering options for their customers to transition from 3G to 4G. No? So as they accelerate the shutting down of their legacy assets this year. No? So ang bilis ng involvement ng technology. No? Naiiwan sila. AC will also be planning to expand its healthcare unit across, no? Sa kanila yung Qualimed, if you don't know, no? So they have also hospitals. Right now kasi, when we say hospital, we think of Metro Pacific Hospital, eh. No? They cornered the share na doon, the market share. Cardinal Santos, Makati Med, De Los Santos in Erod, no? Yun. So AC is also investing in healthcare unit, no? With the addition of 50 generic drugstores this year. No? Anyway, yun. Our passcode for today is MPI. No? Lahat lang. I'm thinking of selling MPI nga, but sabi ko it's too low to sell right now. No? If 455, 458, I might, no? That's a 5 centavos off from the tender offer price. A lot of uncertainty, eh. Of course, price collapse if there's no tender offer. It's something medyo alanganin tayo. Diba? Prutas, AC, wala naman. Most of the news talaga ganun eh. Walang nangyari sa market. Anyway, Isaiah Del Recio, Angel Rock, WM, Blueberry, Abanilla, Emerson, Yong Koshanks, Gilbert Travisan, Gaming Central, Jocelyn Alcobero, Oliver Wendell Go, Will, Victor Dance, JDN, Jason Chan, Rudy Salvatierra, Michael, Gigi Mijares, Jennifer, JR Frayalde, and John Edison Aquino. Thank you very much for listening. Bye!